How to download and install Binance app on PC. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Binance app on your desktop PC. Whether you are into crypto trading or just managing your assets, having the Binance app on your computer makes everything easier. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first step is to open your preferred web browser. It can be Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or any browser of your choice. Next, go to the Binance official website by typing www.binance.com into the search bar and hitting the enter button. And always make sure that you are on the official website to avoid scams and fake downloads. And once you are on the Binance homepage, simply scroll down until you see the Windows icon option. And once you locate that, simply click on it to start the download. After clicking on that, your browser will start downloading the installer file. It's a small file, so it shouldn't take long to download. And once the download is complete, simply locate the file in the downloads folder. And once you have entered the folder, simply double click on the installer file to start the installation process. You can follow the on-screen instruction to accept the terms and condition and choose your installation folder, and after that simply click on install and the installation will only take a few moments. And once the installation is finished, you will see an option to launch Binance. Click on it to open the app, or alternatively you can find the Binance app shortcut on your desktop. And now you have opened the app, you can simply log in with a Binance credential, or you can even create a new account if you don't have one yet. Once you are logged in, you will have full access to Binance on your desktop and you are ready for trading and managing your crypto portfolio. And that's it. Now you have successfully downloaded and installed the Binance app on your desktop PC. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.